Welcome, everyone, this is CYRUS CS40 and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, and once you see the boot options you want to hold power off. After you hold it for about a second or two, it will pop up with the window right here that you can see. I'll reboot to safe mode, so confirm that by tapping on OK and simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And as you can see now, the device is back on. You can see the watermark on the bottom left corner of the screen, safe mode. So the device is now in the desired mode. And in this mode, only the most essential apps are working, everything else is disabled. So you can test if your phone has a problem that is based, for instance, on some kind of app that you have installed, or if it's a hardware one. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it and go back to the normal one, all you need to do is hold the power key, select reboot, and once the phone is powered back on, it will then go back to normal mode. And as you can see, we're back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.